Hello everyone. Today I am standing here to deliver a speech on our freedom fighter Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel on the occasion of independence. Vallabhbhai Patel, who is also known as Iron Man of India, he is remembered as strong and dynamic freedom fighter of India. He had actively contributed to Indian freedom struggles. He was one of the most eminent and prominent leaders of Indian freedom struggles. He immense a contribution to bringing the independence to our country. Early life and education of Vallabhbhai Patel. Vallabhbhai Patel was born on 31st October 1875 on Luva Patel Patidar community in Nadiad village of Gujarat. Vallabhbhai Patel's full name is Vallabhbhai Jhaverbhai Patel and popularly known as Sardar Patel. Sardar Patel's father, Jhaverbhai Patel, is served in the army of Queen of Jhansi, and mother, Ladbai, inclined towards spirituality. Sardar Patel has a brave character since his childhood. There had been an instance when he was treated painful without any hesitation by using a hot iron rod. At the age of 22, when everyone completes their graduation, Sardar Patel completes his matriculation. Due to this, everyone thought that he would be doing to be so ordinary jobs. But after completing his matriculation, Sardar Patel continued his studies and became a law graduate. Later, he traveled to England to become a barrister. After returning to India, he continued his law practices in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Contribution towards Indian freedom struggles. A meeting with Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi in 1917 brought him closer to independence of nation, and he joined Indian National Congress, and his initial movement started with Satyagraha in Gujarat. Later, he participated and volunteered in Quit India movement in 1942 with working closely with the Gandhiji. Patel had a very strong contribution to uniting the people of country towards nation's independence. Due to this, he jailed many times, but the feeling of patriotism and urge to expel out British from the Indian territory is the first and only one objective for him. Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India. The story of Vallabhbhai Patel is very motivating and inspiring one. Firstly, he achieved his professional goals with very little support from others, and thereafter he playing a decisive role in uniting the people of country towards nation's independence. His belief in the principle of unity and diversity is the main cause of independence of our country, and he made him the Iron Man of India. Life after independence. Vallabhbhai Patel playing a prominent role after the integration of India, and he persuaded the rulers of princely states to take part in unity of the country and make one India, one nation by traveling the far-flung areas and border areas. Initially, he appointed first Home Minister and Commander of Chief of Indian Armed Forces, and later he appointed first Home Minister of India and became one of three leaders who led India between 1947 to 1950. Later, his health started unwell, keeping rapidly, and he died on 15 December 1950 in Birla House, Bombay, which is now Mumbai in Maharashtra, India. Our Prime Minister Narendra Modi make a statue of unity on Vallabhbhai Patel, which was the world's tallest statue of 600 feet in Gujarat, India.